how to create a free WordPress featured image with ChatGPT. Okay guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you very quickly and easily how to create a WordPress featured image for your WordPress website or blog. The WordPress featured image is pretty important. Okay, it shows up on your blog pages, okay, when you use it. It also will show up on social media as the thumbnail if someone tries to share any of your WordPress posts or anything like that. And it just makes your site look better. Okay, so you need a WordPress featured image. So the way to do that is using ChatGPT. Now this is cheaper because you don't have to go to Fiverr or Upwork or a marketplace or hire a designer. You can simply give ChatGPT a few prompts and it'll get it done. So let's just do it very quickly. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT to make me a WordPress featured image. Okay, so I'm going to say create WordPress featured image for my travel blog. The topic is about going on vacation to Paris, France. Now we tell it the dimensions of the image should be 120 by 628 pixels. Keep the file size as small as possible. Something like that, okay? So now we just wait. Okay, so ChatGPT gave me a pretty generic image of just Paris to France. So if I wanted to make it more customized for my blog, I simply tell it to, make it more unique. So I could say, make it more unique for my blog. Include, include Paris travel tips for beginners. You say put a picture of smiling French woman on the left side. Okay, so then we just set that to ChatGPT. Now the best thing about this is that you can kind of design it on the fly, give it different prompts to customize your image. You can tell it different colors, different themes, whatever, just whatever your imagination. But the important thing is to be clear about the inputs and to, just basically the better instructions you give ChatGPT, the better results you're going to get. Okay, so. Okay, that looks a lot better. So all we have to do is hit download. Okay, we download the image to our computer. Now, take a look at the file size. It's 2.5 MB. So that's really too big for the internet. If you upload this featured image to your WordPress website, it's going to slow it down. So we're going to compress the image to make the file size smaller so it loads faster. So we're over at imageresizer.com/image-compressor. So let it go to work. Okay, great. So it was able to basically compress the image 85%. So from the original size of 2.5 MB, which is too slow for a lot of connections, to only 37 KB. That's great. So we're going to download the image, and then now we're going to upload it to our WordPress. So now we want to head over to our WordPress blog. Head over to posts in the dashboard. Okay. And then now let's go back to regular mode. So now we want to upload this set featured image, upload files. Now we have the new updated image. Okay, so now once the file is uploaded, click set featured image. All right. Let's put a small tile. Let's test this out. Paris travel tips. Test. Okay. Hit preview. See what this looks like. Okay, great. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial on how to create a free WordPress featured image using ChatGPT. If you guys enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.